Hey everyone, this is Steve, the Mediocre Maintenance Man. I thought I'd give you guys some tips on when to know if it's time to replace your deck boards. So, let's get to it. Alright, so one sign that it might be time to replace your deck boards is if you got green stuff growing on them. And sometimes you might even get some plants kind of growing out of them. So if you got plants growing out of your boards, that's a sign. Another sign, if you can see through your deck boards, okay, that's another sign. And another sign is, I don't have a good example, but if when it rains or whatever, if your board acts more like a sponge and you push on it and water comes out, or if you just kind of flick it and stuff falls off of it, that's another sign. So probably any one of these signs might be a good indicator that it's time to replace your deck boards. For me, I think it's time. So that's what I'm doing.